right, good. Let's get started here. All right, let's go. Let's go. Welcome in. We are here. We are live. Let's go. We're about to get it. I'm about to mute everybody just so that we are able to go here. All right, perfect. So again, my name is Gabriel Montoya. We are live. We are ready to go. Let's go. So again, we are going to really focus on US30 this morning. We're going to kind of talk through some trades. We're going to really see what we're looking at here. We're obviously in an uptrend right now. Last night, if you were able to rewatch the analysis that I did last night, we are smacking TPs. We are smacking TPs on the upside. We are smacking TPs on the upside from a trade that I put in this last night. If you were able to definitely check that out. I did have it on YouTube, but let's go. All right, perfect. So let me let some people in here. All right. Okay. So again, as you can see, we're on the 15 here. We're just going to mark up here real quick. I'm going to bring this thing in here. Let me change views real quick here. All right, perfect. Okay. We're just going to look at where we at as far as bank zones go. Okay, we're going to look at where we're at as far as bank zones go. Look at where that next bank zone is. Okay. And again, I've seen some results over the last week, which is amazing. Just seeing you guys being able to log on and really duplicate, really figuring out what your strategy looks like, what your trading plan looks like is amazing. Okay. All right, so let's talk through kind of what's happening here. Okay, so she's getting ready to hit 31,450. If you can set up 31,450, let's set up 31,450. And that's going to be a buy stop, 31,450. And we're going to go to 53. You know how we do. $450, 53, 50, 53. All right, perfect. So we are in. Let's see what happens here. Okay. All right, great. Okay. So here we are. We're coming up against this bank zone 450 right here. Okay. We obviously tapped it. Okay. Again, as you can see here, we broke mad levels here. We broke this level here. We broke through this level here. We broke this level here. We are now on to break this level right here. And then the next one will definitely be this level here. Okay. Once we break this level here, we will definitely be coming all the way to the top here. Okay. Again, bag me. Let's go. 31,500. You guys should have cleared that trade already. And we're at 503, 500, 503, 503, 500, 503, 500, 503. All right, cool. Set up. Okay. So again, this could possibly be a reversal area as well. We could possibly see, same thing that happened here. Look, we dropped here, came back here, hit this area here, and fell all the way back down. Okay. So again, we want to definitely be careful here. Here's the deal. Let me tell you. Okay. Let me tell you. If you're going to put this trade in, okay, and we're looking at this as a zone, Okay, I don't put any stop losses, but I mentally do have stop losses based off of really where we're at, and I'm taking actually, again, I haven't traded since last, I want to say last Wednesday, and so I haven't had to really, haven't been in drawdown or anything like that. But I'm going to tell you, make sure that, again, like, what is your drawdown? Is it 50 points? Is it 100 points? What does that look like? What are you willing to lose? And set that rule. Okay, set that rule. Okay, obviously I look for the last zone that it broke, and that's my stop loss mentally. Okay, again, that's my rule. That doesn't have to be your rule. You have to figure out what your rule is when it comes to when am I going to get out of this trade. Okay, again, have I allowed trades to just kind of run and go? I have. Okay, but again, I'm also getting better at not doing so and just counting my loss, because again, here's the deal. I know that I can get back in, and I know that I'm going to make it up. So again, understanding where you're at, understanding how to get out is very important. The exit is probably the most important strategy of this whole thing. Okay, it's not that entry, it's the exit. Okay, because at the end of the day, I'm going to exit in profit, or I'm going to know where to exit to get out. And like I said, what are you willing to lose? Okay. Obviously we're scalping 3 points, high leverage. That means that, again, like, are you willing to let her breathe 50 points, 70 points, 100 points? What does that look like to you? Okay. And again, you have to make that decision for yourself. Okay. So like I said before, guys, look at what's happening here. Okay. Again, she may not give us this 31,500. She may not give us this 31,500. Okay. Look, she did not break this. She did not break and close. Okay, this is an area where, again, she's rejecting off of that. Okay, so this could be there's a lot of volume here. It's obviously a bank zone. Okay, where again sellers are sitting. All right, so again, like, definitely, understand what's happening. All right, she does not have to keep going up. She does not have to keep correcting all of this. Okay. Again, like, obviously, a higher low here, but she did not break this high here. She did not break this high here. Okay, she did not break this higher high here. All right. Let's look at this zone on an hour. Look, this is a pivot zone, guys. This is a predominant pivot zone here. Okay. And again, we're scalping, so you don't have to just take buys. You can take sells as well. Okay. You can take, if she breaks down into this 450, take her 3. So again, like, you can trap her if you'd like. Obviously, right now, I'm literally just looking for buys. Okay, so again, I would like to play the pullback. I like to play the pullback at this halfway mark. Okay, if she pulls back to this halfway mark, I'll set back up here at 441 at 450. Okay, so right now we're just gonna be patient. Okay, I do have 3 set up here at 31,500. So if she continues to shoot through, look at this, guys. This is a predominant zone here. Okay, and the reason being is she came down here. Okay, came down, then she drew all the way back up about 75 points, tapped here, and then she continued to fall. Okay, so again, is she going to break this area? Is she going to break this area? Okay, look at it on a lower time frame. Let's look at it on the 15. Okay, look at this. She actually consolidated here. There's tons of volume here. Okay, there's tons of volume here. Okay, tons of money here. All right. So what is she going to do? What is she going to do? Okay. Again, we're just going to be patient. I'm just going to wait. We're going to wait for her to make her move. Okay. And again, we're in and out, guys. Like, we're 3-0 already. Honestly, we literally, in this session, we look for about 4 setups. That's anywhere from 12 to 15 trades. Okay, I'm taking 3 trades on each setup. Okay, I got 3 pending trades right now, 3-0 on this session so far. Okay, we're waiting to see what she's going to do. We have some consolidation right now. Okay, we just want to be patient. Just patiently wait. Okay, but like I said, the most important part is where do you exit? Where are you exiting? Okay, where are you exiting the trade when you get in? Okay. Again, she can either go up or she can go down. 1 or 2 moves that she can make. Okay. Obviously, right now we have a tons of momentum. We have this momentum on this 15-minute candle. We have this momentum on this 15-minute candle. And again, we've lost a lot of momentum here. Okay. We've hit a roadblock here. Okay. Hit a roadblock here as far as, just the ceiling here. We hit the ceiling. Okay. And again, she doesn't always come to the exact spot. There's a zone right here. Okay, look at this. Let me show you. Look, guys, there's a zone right here. There's a zone right there. And that's where she's at. So she's either going to break through here and continue to the upside, which we have her marked up right here, or she's going to hit here. She's going to consolidate and she's going to fall down. Okay, here we go. We're about to get in this trade. Boom. Let's go. We're in. Let's go. Bag me. Pull back a little bit. Let's go down to this 15. Pull back. Here we go. Like I said, 1 or 2 things are going to happen, guys. She's either going to break through or she's going to fall back down. Okay. Let's go. Bag me. 6-0. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go down this 5-minute. Okay. All right, here we go, guys. 31,550 is our next zone. 31,550. Buy stop. And we're going to play this zone a little bit. We're going to play this zone a little bit. Okay, we're going to play this zone a little bit. 31,500. 31,500. 31,503. If she lets me back in, I'm getting in. Pull back down for me. Pull back down. Did she leave us? Hopefully she didn't leave us. 500. If you can get back in, we're at 510. I think she may have left us, guys. We'll see. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. Let's see if she falls back down and retests. Fall back down. I think she left us. She's out of here. Okay, 550. Well, we're going to come back and get her if she comes back. 550, 553. Let me set up 553 real quick. 553. 550, 553. Keep an eye on that 500 zone. I'm setting up my 550 right now. 553. Now I'm going to go back to 500. 500. If she comes back down, I'm going to be ready. 500, 503. Here we go. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. Let me back in. Let's go. Let's go. Big drop. Let's see. We got 1:26 left on this 5-minute candle. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Let me back in. Boom. I'm in. 500. 503. 500. 503. Boom. All right, I'm in. I got two trades open. 2 trades open. Okay, she came back in here. She came back here. Okay, now we're waiting for her to catch her breath here, and we're gonna pump through here. We got 36 seconds left on this candle. Okay, we may not get it on this candle here. Let's go to the 15. We may not get it on this candle here. Again, we also want to be careful here. Okay. My exit will be the bottom of this wick here. Okay. That's 39 points. All right. So I'm in 3 trades right now. 3 trades. Let's go US30. Just opened up a new 5-minute. Actually, just opened up a new 5-minute right now. Let's go. Let's go. A little pullback. We're okay. We're in that zone. Let's go. Here we go. We're about to break through. Let's go. We're about to break through. Let's go. 500, 503. 500, 503. Okay. We get past this wick right here, guys. We're going to the upside. Okay, here we go. We're in. Let's go. Bag us. Bag me. Let's go. 9-0. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. All right. See what's happening here, guys. We got some wicks here. We're in some wicks here. Okay. So again, 31550. Here's the deal. We want to also be very, very careful that again, we don't get a tweezer top here and continue down in the bottom. Okay. These wicks here tell us the story. These wicks tell us that sellers came in. Buyers were strong, but sellers did try to come in on that last candle. Okay. So we need buyers to cover these wicks. If buyers cover those wicks, we are going to the next zone. We are going to 550. Okay, she's gonna correct most of this. All right, 9-0, 9-0. A couple more trades. I am set up. I have 3 set up at 550. We have 3 set up here. 9-0, 9-0. So as far as your exit goes, it's just honestly, it's just a decision. It's just a decision that you make. I'm not going to lose any more than $50. I'm not going to lose any more than 50 points. Okay. So again, just again, just make it simple on yourself as far as just really figuring out what exactly, I'm going to cut my loss at BAM and stick to it. Stick to it. We always think, oh, she's going to come back. She's going to come back. She's going to come back. Again, don't get yourself in that. Just look for the next setup. Just look for the next trade. You know what I mean? Again, you also have to find what leverage is comfortable for you. All right. Again, I'm at 0.7 right now. I'm at 0.7 leverage. Okay. I'm at 0.7 leverage. Okay. That's comfortable for me. Again, as you can see here, we're riding this momentum right now. But we also want to be careful. Okay, of her retesting. Okay, but again, tons of buyer momentum right now. So we're just gonna ride this out. So 31550 is next zone. 31550 next zone. Okay, guys, another thing, again, what you can also do as well, and again, it just really kind of comes down to your trading style. Honestly, it really comes down to really what your rules are. Okay, I scalp through the move. I take the momentum. Okay, so again, I do buy stops, sell stops. Okay, what you can do is you can set up a buy limit to take this retest. So if this retest, because again, this is the predominant zone right here. If she retests off this 500, okay, you can also take that bounce up. Okay, you can take that bounce up as well. Okay, again, it really comes down to really your style. It really kind of comes down to the rules that you set for yourself, and your trading plan. Okay, obviously, 3 points works for me. I'm able to get in and out. We're 9-0 on this session. Okay, so again, it just really kind of comes down to obviously what you are, what your style is. But like I said, your exit is the most important part. Knowing where you're going to exit in your mind. Okay, I'm not setting a stop loss, but I know where I'm going to exit. Okay, and again, I'm high leverage, so obviously my tolerance is maybe a little bit higher than yours, or yours may be a little bit higher than mine. But again, set that number. Okay, set that number. Are you going to let her breathe 50 points, 70 points, 100 points? What are you going to allow her to breathe before you get out? Okay. And also you can look at predominant areas that she's broke. So for example, she just broke this area here. She just broke this area. So if she comes down, retests it, and hold it, then great. Okay. But what if she comes down, breaks through it, and continues to fall? Okay. So again, you like I said, there's one or two things that can happen. She's either going to continue to the upside, or she's going to continue to the downside, and you have to be prepared for either one. Can you give me help on that? I'm still in the 31,450. 31,450. Are you in a buy or sell? What are you in? The last trade. So gave me a negative. So what happened? So what could be happening, guys, is you guys could be margining out. So again, depending on the size of your account, you can be margining out, and that's why you go into a negative. So again, I don't know why it goes into a negative. One of the things that I would really focus on, and one of the things that I've really just seen, some of my students, especially on the YouTube channel, I've had some individuals that have actually, just really listening in the sense of just focus on the skill set. Focus on the skill set. Once you have a strategy that works, and once you are consistent in trading that strategy, stop trading your own money. I'm telling you, stop trading your own money. There's too many prop firms out there. There's too many prop funds out there that you can actually get into and actually trade their money. I'm telling you right now, like when you're trying to trade on a smaller account, again, it's tough, it's challenging. Okay. I'd rather risk $300, and take a chance versus, thousands of dollars of my own money. Okay, and again, this is kind of where I've come from, because again, I've lost thousands of dollars when it comes to learning this skill set. Okay, so what I tell people now is invest in learning the skill set. Invest in learning the skill set. I'm not an educator. Okay, I simply am helping you guys with the strategy that has worked for me, but I'm not an educator. Okay, I'm not an educator at all. Like I simply have learned the skill set, but I put about almost 3 years into this. Okay, and at the end of the day, if someone would have sat down with me and, hey, over the next 3 to 6 months, focus on learning the skill set. Go get you a prop fund account, and you can make a living trading. I would have followed that, but I've had to kind of learn on my own. I've had to kind of go through the trials and tribulations on my own. But I'm here to tell you that you don't have to do that. Again, like there's just There's tons of prop funds out there that you can definitely get into. I personally, if you go to my YouTube channel, you can click on the link to my Forex funds. I personally do my Forex funds. Again, I'm getting ready to actually start a new $50,000 account. And really document it. Really document that journey. Again, $50,000 account costs you $300. Okay, but again, don't get in there and play with it. Don't get in there and just throw things against the wall. If you truly know a strategy and you can truly are consistent, then again, take 300, go through the challenges. Again, we have some people in the group. Kevin, we have Jay, myself have gone through these prop challenges. We can help you through them. And again, it's all about finding that right leverage, and then also like exiting, getting out. Knowing when to get out is so important. Okay, as long as you're maintaining, as long as you know when to quit, you're good. That's the biggest thing in this game, is it's discipline and consistency. Those are the two major things that I've learned throughout my journey. Discipline, discipline to get out, and consistent. You have to be consistent in your training. You have to be consistent in what you're doing in order to get the results, okay? So again, like I told you guys, look at what's happening. She's retesting that 500. She's retesting that 500. Is that 500 zone going to hold, or is she going to break through? Okay, and again, when I say break through, I mean break and close, okay? Not fly through here. I'm talking break and close. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Again, I called this out, guys. All right, so I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. If she pulls back down, I'm gonna get in at 500. Okay. If she pulls back down, I'm gonna get in at 500 buy stop. So 503. Look what she did. She retested it. She retested it like I told you she was going to. Let's go. We are 9-0 right now. I'm literally looking for 2 more setups. 15 trades today. 15 trades. So again, here's the deal, guys. I have her set up at 31,550. So again, if she continues to climb, she breaks this wick here, we will continue to go to 350. Okay. If she breaks down into this zone here, okay, I will take this retest, and I will do a buy stop at 500. Okay. They absolutely do, but at the end of the day, like, you know what? I'd rather put $300 and get a $50,000 account and be able to leverage that, and to be able to really, versus, not being able to hold a trade on US30 with a smaller account. So again, like, I definitely understand, but at the end of the day, to be able to make 85% on someone else's money, I mean, phenomenal. Like, it makes complete sense to me. So again, focus on the skill set, because here's the deal: you're not able to focus on the skill set if you're stressed about, losing your account. Do you know what I mean? Because here's the deal: we trade US30. US30 is crazy. Okay, you have to have a big enough account to hold that withdrawal. Okay, to hold that drawback, you have to have a big enough account, because it will happen. Okay, it will happen. And also, again, like here's the deal on a prop account. Okay, if let's say you hold that drawdown, okay, you lost $300, not thousands. You know what I mean? If you draw down and you break your account, you lost $300 versus thousands of dollars. So again, like that's the thing, is that the prop account, it gives you perimeters, it gives you guidelines, and if you can work in those guidelines, you're good. You're good. Yeah, Reggie Bowles. The goal is to get the ball down the alley, and hit as many pins as you can. Because if you go right or left, you go in the gutters. Okay? And again, the one that consistently hits more pins wins the game. So again, that's what the prop account does, is it gives you your perimeters and says, hey, don't go to the left and don't go to the right. Stay here in the middle. You got to find what works for you. Okay? And be patient. Okay, I know when I first opened up my prop accounts, I was trying to get through challenges very fast. Again, this is not a sprint. This is a marathon. This is not a sprint. Like, there's no hurry. So lower your leverage, get through the challenges, and again, like, imagine if you could even just make $5,000 a month consistently trading, additional on top of whatever you're doing. You know what I mean? And then you get a bigger account. Okay, I think the biggest account that I have right now is I have a $200,000 account. Okay, get a bigger account. Okay, you could actually on prop accounts you can make up to $600,000 a year. $600,000 a year across all of your accounts. Okay. So again, like I said, you get a $200,000 account, you get a $300,000 account. Now you can leverage higher. Your profits are just bigger. So again, like, have no emotion in this game. Okay, 3 things: discipline, consistency, and mindset. You should not be trading money that you're not willing to lose. Okay, we're gonna get it back. Okay. We have 365 days a year to trade. Okay. Again, once you learn this skill set, once you learn how to read wicks and bodies, okay, you can trade Ethereum, you can trade Bitcoin. Okay. So again, technically you have 365 days a year to trade. Okay. Obviously I trade Us30, so I just trade during the week. Okay. I did trade Bitcoin. I did trade Ethereum. But again, I don't have to anymore. Okay? I don't trade just to trade, guys. Like, again, like, literally we've been on this session for 42 minutes. I'm 9-0. Again, my goal is to be done here within the next 15 minutes. Okay? But again, I'm good with 9-0. I mean, if that's what I finish at today, I'm good with that. I mean, that's 1845 on the session. 1845. If you times that by 5, come on, let's go. 1845. You times that by 5, that's almost 10 grand a week. Let's go. All right, so hey, we're looking at 31,550, 31,550. Yeah, so what I would do, James, is honestly, man, like literally, just like I said, especially on that prop account, is just really, know what your drawdown is for the day. And if she runs, just get out and, go to a new day. Just wait till tomorrow. You know what I mean? And that's the thing, is just, And again, that's what I've done, and that's how I've gotten through the challenges. Is I literally have just, I know what I'm willing to pull back. If she pulls back 50, 70 points, just get out of the trade. And if you're leveraged properly, okay, you're good. You should be in good shape. But again, if she runs on you, then you're in trouble. Okay, and again, it's just finding that right level. Yep, I get it though, man. But at the end of the day, guess what? If she runs on me, I lost $300 versus thousands of my own money, which is awesome. Okay, so cool. So once you pass phase two, the drawdown limit once you pass phase two is a total of 12%. You cannot have a total drawdown of 12% on your account. Okay, we're looking at 31,550. And again, guys, obviously, like, here's the deal: because I've been part of IM, I get into, one of the things that I've been looking at is I follow Dr. K. Dr. K is probably one of the strongest traders. She just, again, there's no frills to her. There's no flash. She just keeps it very simple. I've really been studying, doing a lot more, kind of day trading, or I guess what you call intraday. Okay. Just like I did a setup yesterday, just trapped her, whether she was going to go up. We took 3 TPs. If she was going to go down, 3 TPs. Okay. If you're whatever you're in, they have apps, and you can obviously enter those trades as well. I know James and I, we do DCX. So you get trades from the DCX channel that you can enter in. You get swipe trades. You get so again, there's definitely apps that you guys can definitely download where, again, these educators throw ideas to you, which is great. But like I said, it all comes down to managing. It all comes down to really just risk management. Yep. So again, guys, we got about, I'm gonna do a hard stop literally in the next 13 minutes. Okay. Again, she's consolidating right here. She's consolidating right here, guys. She's consolidating in between 31500 and 31550. Okay. $31550 is our next zone. Okay, she's consolidating. Once she breaks past this wick here we go. Let's go. 31550, 31550. She's gonna give it to us. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. Absolutely. Let's go. 550. Here we go. So again, guys, like I said, it really comes down to that mental game. But at the end of the day, like I said, again, being able to trade on someone else's money, getting 85% of that of your profits. Focus on the skill set. Focus on the skill set. Find what your strategy is. Find what your trading plan is. What are your rules, and stick to your rules, and be consistent in your rules. Be consistent in your rules. Be disciplined in your rules. And again, so like, for example, let's say you get into this trade here. Okay, she comes up here and then she pulls back. Okay, if she breaks these zones again, get out. Okay. So if she comes up here, okay, if she comes up here, hits, and doesn't get us in, or let's say we get in, but then she pulls back on us, right here, guys, like, look, if she breaks this area here, get out. And again, be consistent in that. Be disciplined in that. Okay? All right, let's see. Come on, come on. 31,550. There we go. Let's go. 31,550. She got me in these 3 trades right now. There we go. Let's go. Bag me. Perfect. So honestly, I forgot to set a TP. I took 12 points on one and I took 15 points on the other. She jumped up. So we finished this session 1, 2, 3. So we literally did 15 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We did 12 trades and we did 39.71 on this session, guys. Again, 12 and 0. Let's go. Again, like I said, guys, take everything that I'm saying. Again, I simply have just, I've been through it. I've been where you guys are at. I've been, wherever your journey's at. Again, I've been there. Again, I'm here to definitely help you guys and stop you guys from obviously making the same mistakes that I did. If you want to reach out directly. If you have anybody that, that you obviously want me to have a chat with, talk with, let's set up some time. So again, guys, thank you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing day. We will be on tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay, Central Standard Time. And again, stay tuned. Possibly tonight, I can do another breakdown. But again, based off what we did last night, we smashed TP1, TP2, and TP3. Let's go. Make today great. Have an amazing, 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 amazing day, guys. And I will see you guys at the top. Take care. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.